Hello everyone, welcome back to Dre's Tech Reviews. I know I haven't made a video in about a month, I believe so. I believe it's been about a month. But I'm starting school again after this weekend, which sucks, but I've been on summer break and I've gotten really lazy. So you might be able to hear a fan, an air conditioner, plus it's raining outside, so that's why I have like a light over here and a light over here, because it's really dark outside. So please keep in mind that. But I got a review of the Logitech K360 wireless keyboard. I bought this keyboard for the computer that I showed you, which I have done something with that I might show you guys. Subscribe if you guys want to see that. But I needed a keyboard. I found this one. It was, I believe, $25 at Best Buy. Those are the only two places you can buy anything in this town, is Best Buy and Walmart, maybe Target, depending. But this is the Logitech K360. I don't know if you guys can see that with the shininess, but let's unbox it and show you. I'm pretty sure that you guys know a lot about Logitech. I mean, who doesn't? It's got the unifying 2.4 gigahertz adapter. It says entertainment at your fingertips, has volume controls and whatnot. It's got a smaller size with a full keyboard, so you have the numeric pad and all the normal QWERTY keyboard, and then you have an extremely long battery life, which is actually true. I have a mouse and I've never had to buy new batteries for it forever. So apparently it's upside down, but you got your little USB receiver, which is kind of a cool place for that. Okay. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay, there we go. So there's the keyboard. It's actually got a little bit of a heft to it. It's a little weighty, but I can open it. Let's see. Oh, now you can hear the rain. But it's getting louder. It's got little stickers and stuff on it, huh? Oh, there's that nice crunchy plastic. You got your, of course, in the box, you got your instructions, your power, whatnot. You guys know everything about that. I mean, who reads instructions anymore? Let's take the, I'm assuming this is for the battery pull down out? Yeah. I don't know what this is for. It's got a piece of plastic over this, I'll just leave that for now. But there's the keys. Let's see, seem to have pretty good travel. Not too just straight to the plastic, but get your little thing. All Logitech stuff comes with batteries, which is really awesome. But let me see if I can. With two hands. You go battery cover, you actually have a spot to put your receiver. Stick that back on there. Wrong way. There we go. You got your stands. I mean, it's a keyboard. I mean, who doesn't know about a keyboard? But yeah, you got your normal keys, shift. Everything seems to be a pretty good distance apart. They're kind of small keys, but you got your numeric pad. I mean, it's a pretty small keyboard for what it is. Let's see. I think I have a bigger one. Normal size. For a little bit of a size comparison, I mean, it's not too much smaller, but it is a pretty good amount. It's a whole two keys smaller. But this is an older Logitech. You actually had to have the receiver with the wire and everything. You didn't have a little tiny thing like this. And then yeah, size comparison. These keys are, this is more of a normal workstation keyboard, but this one, I hope it's nice. But thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, dislike. Let me know if you have any questions. Anything you want to see, I'll make another video, whatnot.